What is going on today, guys? I'm going to be showing you how to generate your first $10,000 a month with a Shopify store, even if you have no product, even if you've never ran ads before, even if you don't know how to find the winning product or how to actually build out a complete Shopify store from scratch. I'm going to show you all the things that I did to generate $11,403 for this new store that we just launched just in the first, 14 to 17 days. How we did it, ads were running, literally the whole 9 yards of this business, okay? So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. So this is a store that we recently just built out for a client. And even right off the bat, we had a $300 a day and obviously scaled it out to $2,000 days, to $1,000 days, and then we're scaling up slowly from here. We're making other changes in the business right now as far as like the price, playing with the bundles, seeing how the AOV increases. We're also implementing email and all these other things. Okay, so I just want you to guys stick around. This is gonna be a pretty long video, so I want to give you guys the value and like kind of what went into this brand. Okay, so this is a private label brand where we basically just took a hair oil from Alibaba and they put their own logo on it. Okay, this is all private labeled. Okay, and you can basically go to Alibaba, find a hair oil, contact the supplier. You can get 500 pieces for probably around $1,000, $1,500, and they'll ship it to you in like 30 to 45 days. You can find a warehouse, or you can ship it yourself in the beginning. You could be a bottleneck in that until you find a supplier, but it's really not as hard as you think to build a brand, because a lot of these suppliers will help you get the label. They'll help you with the logo. They'll help you with the actual licensing. Like, they're doing it mostly for you, and that's what they're kind of charging you extra for per piece, per bottle, whatever the case may be. Okay, you can do this with other products as well. I mean, a lot of products have been like hair oil, skincare, what else? There's like planners and like notebooks and stuff like that that you can obviously private label, just put your logo on it and sell it, but make it more unique. Okay, so with any Shopify store, I usually just go and get a foundation of a store from Fiverr. Okay, I'll show you the exact seller who we buy from. It's this guy right here, AJ Web Solutions. We'll pay $100 to $125 for a store, and he does all the legwork for you. He builds the store, does the coding, adds the product, does the description, product images that you supply to him, like the whole 9 yards, the home page, the checkout settings. Like, he does it all for you so that it is ready to go once it's handed to you. And obviously you can ask for revisions and all that. And this is only 2 days of delivery. Okay, so obviously while you have that order coming in 30 to 45 days, you can work on making the store sexier. You can work on automations and all the apps that I'm going to show you today, and how we basically put all of this together. Okay, so I went over, finding the product. I went over, getting your store actually made. So how do you actually convert, that traffic? Okay, and I'm going to show you the exact ads that we are running for this product. Page transparency, page currently running ads. And just so you know, you can look at any competitors' ads just by simply going to the ad library. Okay, I hope you all realize that you can do that. So you scroll here, these are the ads that we're running. So these are like really simple videos. You can go to websites like Bands Off Ads to get videos like this made, or if you obviously are, you have a bigger budget, you can go to something called Billo. And while you're getting that order in from your supplier to obviously be able to sell and like get the products in, you can actually go pay influencers starting at $59 to make video ads for you. Like, you just ship the product and you can get video ads, testimonials, unboxing videos, how-to videos, 360 videos, all these different kind of video variations just for $59 a video. You ship the product to them, it takes about 2 to 3 weeks. They make it for you, they edit it for you, they send it back, and now you have a piece of ad content that you can use to obviously scale and get better ad costs and get better traffic. Okay, so that's another option as well. And all you would ask for the supplier to do is be like, hey, the supplier, like, can you ship 3 bottles to these 3 addresses? Yes, you're gonna pay more for the shipping just for an individual one, but now you can have those video ads and assets for your ads being automated, okay? We also made graphics as well that kind of look like this, where it's like, I have a before and after in the corner, what they want, grow your hair within 2 weeks, having more than 1 bottle in the picture, talking about all the benefits, the logo, little claim here, and that's the copy for it, okay? So, and that's this video is the same one as this one. And then the copy's here. So very simple copy. Anybody can write ad copy like this. We're getting very good ad costs right now, about $10 a purchase, okay? So that's the ad side. And I'll get more into Facebook ad tutorials if you like subscribe to this, channel and you watch my content very regularly. I'm going to be doing a lot of Facebook ad tutorials, creative tutorials, ad copy tutorials, all of that. So inside the store, and we just got an order just as I refreshed here. So we went over how to get the product, how to private label it, contacting the supplier through Alibaba, Shopify theme, getting the store theme made, and then we also went through the ad copy, the creatives, how to get creatives. So now how do you actually operate the Shopify store, and what apps are you doing? Where are you running traffic to? I'm gonna go over that right now. So within Shopify, there's a couple of apps that I use. One is Klaviyo, that's for my email marketing. Number 2 is Looks, which are photo reviews. So if customers upload reviews to the website, they can attach a photo of their results to it. So it can actually pop up on the page while they're scrolling and reading. One Click Upsell is a Zipify app. It allows me to upsell people at checkout. I'm going to go over that. Sales Pop shows sales notifications as they are, viewing the product page. Okay. And I'm going to go over what that product page is. Text cart, that's how we recover abandoned carts. Okay. Abandoned carts are a huge reason why stores can't convert a lot through checkout. So this is an automated app that texts all the people who have abandoned cart and allows us to recover them. So we're getting 35% recovery rates. This is completely automated, by the way. Text cart, you sign up, you pick the $0 a month plan, and you just go to the dashboard and it's done for you. You don't touch a damn thing. Okay. So we're recovering 35% of people at abandoned carts. And then the next app is Ultimate Sales Boost, which is not really crazy important right now. And then Zipify. Zipify is where we build our custom landing pages. Okay. And if you're probably wondering, well, Wojo, this sounds like a lot of work. How do I build a custom landing page? Okay, well, I'm going to show you one right now. This is one that we made with Zipify, and in the bottom left-hand corner, you can see the sales notifications from Sales Pop popping up. I always start my landing pages off with, nice product slide, a good review right here with the person's name, 5-star review, retail price, your price, and free delivery. You save X amount, buy the bottle now. I have little icons here with value points about the product. And then I go into more reviews. 10 powerful natural oils in one with, I'm always showing more than one in these pictures. And if you're wondering why, it's because if I show more than one, people are going to be framed to buy more than one, which I'm going to get into, very, very soon. Okay. So, and then we, hash into the, one bottle, 100% no risk money back guarantee, 30 days supply, results guaranteed, hair growth results, more reviews, hair growth results, more reviews. Okay. Buy now and get up to 42% off. This is where I really start pitching the bundles, right? If 2 bottles is 29, 1 bottle is 19, obviously they're saving a lot more money. They're saving 20 bucks just if they get 2 bottles, and they're saving 32 bucks if they get 3 bottles. So I'm kind of just pushing them to buy more than one, and that's why this is highlighted in green right here. And then I talk more about the owner, I talk about the ingredients. These are not hard graphics to make. You can just go on Canva and make this, or you can just go pay someone on Fiverr to do graphic design for you. But you can kind of see the exact same sequence of this landing page, and you can copy it for yourself. Here's how to use it, because people like to know how to use the product. More value points. This is a graphic that we made in Canva. Okay, reviews, before and afters, more testimonials. Same thing down here. FAQs are important as well. And then basically what happens is they'll go through checkout. They'll pick what they want to buy, and then they go to checkout. Well, at checkout, we give value at checkout. So if they go to checkout right now, which is going to send me there, we give them an automatic discount of 10% off, because we're like, if you go to checkout, I want to surprise you with a surprise checkout. Well, how do we integrate that? I'm going to show you. If you go to discounts in Shopify, you just literally go to create discount, automatic. You name it, thanks. Percentage is 10%. And then you just hit save discount. Now, obviously, it's not going to let me do it because I already did it, for my stuff. So I already have one. See, thank you. Minimum purchase of 1 cent. Okay. It's been used 431 times. That's a lot of people. Okay. And that helps them finish their process at checkout. It helps them, get urgency. And that's a really big thing with conversion rates. Because if we go on the store now, I wasn't going to send traffic to a regular boring product page, because most Shopify stores, you're sending traffic to something like this, which is terrible because there's not all of that sales copy and all of that customization that I showed you on my Zipify landing page. This is all they can see. That's not going to entice somebody to buy at this kind of conversion rate. At over 5%, that's a huge conversion rate. For a store that's selling, $19 to about 41 bucks, that's a very good conversion rate of 5%. Average order value. If I go to, let's say, last 7 days, my average order value is 27 bucks. So that means that if I'm spending $10 to get a customer and I'm getting 27, that's $17. That's where I can fit my product costs and shipping costs, and I can actually profit on my ad spend. So that's very important to understand that as well. And as you can see here, there's a lot more people buying the 2-bottle bundle than the 1 bottle because I push that very clearly on the landing page. I make sure that they see that 2-bottle first, then go to 3-bottle, then go to 1 bottle, because I want them to spend more money. I want them to buy more than 1. So those are important things to understand. The other thing is what happens to people once they become a buyer. Okay, once they get to checkout, they purchase, they take that 10%, the automatic 10% at checkout. They're excited. They're like, oh, okay, I'm gonna get my hair oil. Okay, well, this is where we then upsell them. That's where Zipify OCU comes into play. Zipify OCU allows us to upsell people at checkout. This has already made an extra $1,300 this month alone. So 10% of his revenue is through upsells alone. Okay. If we go to his statistics, his average order value is $65.77 when someone takes a Zipify OCU upsell. We've had 21 people with post-purchase and 14 with a thank you page offer. $65 average order value. That is twice, almost 3 times as high as the average on the store. And that's if you were just sending traffic to a regular Shopify landing page. So if we go into what those, what the post-purchase offer is, it's always about 2 things: faster and better results, or more of the same. The best upsell is always faster, better results, or more of the same. So most of them are buying hair oil. Okay, they're buying hair growth oil, either the 1 bottle, 2 bottle, or 3 bottle. Okay, so my first upsell is like, listen, if you want to sustain those results, you got to get the shampoo and conditioner. So while you're using the hair oil to grow your hair, you can use the shampoo and conditioner in the shower to make sure that you're sustaining those results. If they say no to that, then I just upsell them like some head and scalp massager, because they might think that like if they use the hair oil, their head might itch, or maybe their head itches right now. Whatever the case may be, it's a congruent way for them to buy this and then this. Now that the upsell on the thank you page, so this is your post-purchase upsell. So as soon as they put their card and they click pay now, they're then going to go to a page where it sells them this. Okay, now once they're done, then they get sent to the thank you page offer. The thank you page offer is once they actually see their order number, and they can actually, see like their address on the map, and they can put their phone number in for shipping updates. That's when they're completely done. Well, now we upsell them for another bottle. We're like, hey, grab another bottle, blah, blah, blah. They get 6% conversion rate just on the thank you page alone. So 3 upsells at over 7% conversion rate, and it's added an extra $1,300 to their revenue, which out of the $11,000 is about 9 to 10% of their monthly revenue. So just by upselling people at checkout is huge as well. And then there's the back end of this. Okay, which is Klaviyo, which is their emails. Okay, so we have, we talked about getting the purchases, upselling people, recovering abandoned carts. Well, how do we recover more abandoned carts plus make more money from people who have already bought? And if we look at their email in the last 30 days, they've had 25 conversions. So I don't know how much that is, but if we go to placed order, it's going to update. That's an extra $155. So we just implemented these flows and campaigns, but out of the $10,000 of revenue, we're adding an extra $155. It's only in 2 days, by the way, because we just updated these flows like literally 2 to 3 days ago. So we've already made an extra $155 in 3 days just by having a welcome sequence, welcome series, browse abandonment, order confirmation, and then an abandoned cart. So we're also recovering abandoned carts from email as well, on top of the SMS ones that I showed you through text cart. We're also recovering them through the automated emails that Shopify just auto-generates as well. So we have Klaviyo recovering abandoned carts, Shopify recovering abandoned carts, and text cart recovering abandoned carts. So we're covering about 50% of people who abandon checkout just by obviously emailing them and SMS as well. So that's how all these pieces come together. And that's really how the sales process works for this brand. Now, obviously, the best way to make more money from this would be, finding another front-end product that would sell well. If we could get the ads to convert for the shampoo and conditioner, then we could probably make more money, but it's not as great of an offer as the hair growth oil. People just want that quick fix. They don't want to just use this thing in the shower and just like help their hair get thinner. Like, that's not sexy. They just want to grow their hair. Then the upsell is keep it thicker, fuller, and thinner. So that's kind of how this brand works. That's how I kind of scaled it. This is the exact sales process from start to finish, from concept to launch, where I went to go grab the store theme, what the landing page looked like, how I did the pricing, the ads that I ran, where you can get video ads, the apps that I use on Shopify, the exact theme, the emails, the SMS, the customization of the apps, the upsells. I just showed you everything inside of a 10K a month store, and you can do this too. So Comment down below if you have any questions about this process. Maybe I didn't clarify anything that you were specifically trying to, understand more. Just comment down below, like this video, and subscribe if you're new, and I'll be having more videos just like this as we scale more brands this year. So thanks again for stopping by. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next case study video. Peace.